Hello and welcome to the 30-day abs challenge. What we're going to do over the next 30 days is 4 movements targeting your abdominals, getting progressively more repetitions as the days go on. So by the time you get to 30 days, I guarantee if you do all 30 days consistently, you will have exponentially stronger abdominals. Unless of course you're like Bernice, our marketing manager here, who is already awesome, she said. But she's doing the challenge anyway, and that's her thumb. Okay, I'm going to talk you through the 4 movements that we're going to do and show you with some progressions or regressions as well. First one is our sit-up. So we're going to come onto the floor, leaning back, starting from the floor, feet down. You can put your arms where you like. Try to put them so you're not using them to come up, and you're going to just sit up from there. So try not to throw the arms up for momentum or throw the head up. So tuck the chin and roll up. If you find that too challenging, you can wedge your feet under something or get someone to hold your ankles and come back down and then come back up. The only difference that is you start to use a little bit of your quads as well, so it's less abdominals. If you don't want to do that, you can start sitting up, lean back as far as you can, and then come back up. And hopefully by the end of 30 days, you'll be able to lean further and further till eventually you come all the way down and back up. And that's the sit-up. The second one is going to be our crunch. So we're going to have, again, 2 options. The first one, coming down into tabletop. So legs at 90 degrees. From there, you're just going to crunch your shoulders up. So you're working the upper abdominals here. So moving from the center, rolling back down. Same thing, tuck the chin and roll up. Try not to throw the head up or throw the arms up again. It's a slow, controlled movement up and hold. If you find that's too challenging, you can drop the legs down and then just crunch up. The key thing is rolling the shoulders up and moving from here, from the center of your chest. Our third movement is your leg raises. So we're going to lay flat on the floor, and from there you're going to raise the legs up and then slowly lower towards the floor without touching, and then back up again. If you find this moves into your lower back, what you can do at the beginning is come up, lower one, lift your shoulders up and lower one leg and the other leg, and touch down if you need to, and touch down if you need to. That's the third one. And the fourth one, straightforward, simple. Everybody has done one of these at some point in their lives. It's a simple forearm plank. So you come down and you hold into that plank position. And that's it. That's our 4 exercises. I will see you in 31 days when everybody's got washboard abs. Have fun, folks.